G'day, it's Michael from Loch Ness's 4x4 Adventures. So in this video, I'm going to do a King's awning review. Run through the pros and cons and show you the setup and the pack up of it. Alright, let's go. Right, and that's the awning setup. As you can see, there's a little bit of difficulties with it, but it is what it is. Right, now run through my list of pros and cons. Alright, I'm going to start with the pros. It's quick and easy to set up. You can do it by yourself. It only takes a couple of minutes. Provides a good amount of shade, and it has awning wall attachments for that extra bit of shade and privacy. Now the cons. The twist lock legs, you can't handle pressure when you're trying to tie it down. The tips to the extension poles, they bend really easy when it gets windy. And saying the wind, can't handle strong wind. It just folds up like a taco. But other than that, it does do what it's supposed to do. Provides shade and protection from the elements. So I can't fault it on that. So where to from here? I've got another awning that I'm going to be putting on the car soon, so watch this space. I just want to give you an update on the channel too. I've recently changed the name from Loch Ness's Off-Road to Loch Ness's 4x4 Adventures because, well, not everything I film's off-road, so I only figured that name had to change. Also an update on the car. I've been working on shortening an alloy tray swap out for the tub, so that's going to be happening in the near future. So once again, watch this space. Right, it's time to pack it up. Well, that's it for my awning review video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Until then, take it easy.